Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites. You must be 13-17 with an Apple ID and family sharing, and your parent enables Apple Cash Family. Once done, ask your parent to open Wallet and tap Apple Cash to invite you. This creates an Apple Cash card tied to your account. You do this now so authorization and funding paths are established. Make sure two-factor authentication is active on the parent account, because Apple requires it for secure transfers and approvals. After accepting the family invitation, you open Wallet and activate your Apple Cash card. This lets you send, receive, and store balance. Next, have your parent link a bank debit card or transfer funds to your Apple Cash. This funds your balance without a bank account of your own. While you set up, discuss spending limits and permissions so parental controls match expectations. This prevents surprises and explains why transfers may require approval before you can spend immediately. Now you can send money in messages, use Apple Pay in stores, or keep a balance in Wallet. When you want cash out, transfer to the parent's bank card or ask them to send money back. Transfers typically take 1-3 business days, so plan ahead. If a transaction is blocked, make sure family sharing approvals and card verification are complete. If problems persist, ask your parent to check their wallet settings and reapprove or contact Apple support. This resolves most setup-related holdups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.